And Nadula Hair, y'all did it again, like a pre-everything wig, making it so easy for the girlies to look good without spending hours in the salon or being frustrated in the bathroom. Peel off the tape, apply it, and you are good to have an amazing day. This unit, I recommend. It is Yachi approved. Hey guys, we have a new unit today, and for the first time, new color. Like, I haven't done purple before, so the girls are purple today. Okay, so if you want to find out the details about this unit, what I think about it, how I installed it, and of course how I styled it, then keep watching and watch till the end. You ready? Let the tapes roll. Today's unit is from Nadula Hair. Ooh, okay, I guys seen the color and then the curls as well. You have like some kind of loose, like a deep wave curl sort of going on here, but the color and the fact that it has it's like ombre, so it goes from like black to like purple. I have never worn purple hair before, so I'm quite excited. So here is our unit. We have a 13x4 frontal wig, and it's a pre-everything wig. So as you can see, these knots have been plucked, or rather bleached actually, and then the hairline has been plucked and it's pre-cut, so everything is done. You just need to install with these tapes by the sides, and that's it, honestly. And the length of this hair is 24 inches. I really like this color. I'm so curious to see what it's going to look like against like my skin, because I have not tried out purple hair in my life, not even with braids. I haven't done that. And here they already opened up like a C part for us, so straight from the company, from the box, with a C part. I might open up the middle part just for us to play around with. But yeah, this is our unit. On the inner part we have elastic band for that extra security, very important for a pre-everything wig. And then you have the comb at the back to ensure it is secure, and these ones to hook to like really tighten it. I always put it on the tightest because we need to be snatched. Okay, so let's tighten the band so we can pop this on, guys. Okay, maybe we're going to be trying purple hair a bit more because I am actually loving it. But for the hairline, this is what we have, so I just need to pull it forward and then check if there's any excess that we need to cut off. If not, it doesn't look like there would be, honestly. If I drag it forward enough, it doesn't look like there would be. The wig is just going to come really down here, so that would cover like my sideburns. Guys, so here is our look. I actually like the almost middle like C part, so maybe we can be moving our C parts like a little bit, you know, to the middle. Now for the volume of the hair, it's really good. I just need to like run my hands like through it just to give it a little bit more volume. That's all I'm doing. Like I said, the hair feels pretty soft, so like running my hands through is very easy. I feel like you guys are not really appreciating the color because of the contrast with my top, so I'm going to take it upon myself to switch up this top. Let's wear something lighter so you can properly see the shade of purple that we have. So top change, and I think now we can appreciate this shade even more. I like it. Like my first time trying purple, we just might be staying, you know, in the purple lane a bit more, but that's one thing I like about like colored hair. Like of course, like black hair is cute, is natural, is demure, is very cutesy, but sometimes just a little bit of oomph, okay, you can step out of your comfort zone. So especially like having this unit for like a vacation, maybe you want to look different for your trip. And with the tapes, it's the easiest way to like install frontal. So if you're a beginner, this pre-everything wig that comes with the tapes, you would be out of your house in no time. Like it's convenient to just bring it out of the box, throw it on, use your hot comb and just use the tapes on each side. It stays down, holds the whole thing together. Okay, all that's holding it is the tape here. You can use like a melting spray if you're like, if you want to be like extra nice, and then use your band for some time, maybe while doing your makeup. And once your makeup is done, take off that band and you're ready to step out. So the hair length is 24 inches. Let me show you where it's reaching. So it's coming down here. Okay, this is what 24 inches looks like. I absolutely love the volume of the hair as well. It is quite full, so you can definitely just rock it as it is. If you want a more relaxed look, then spray it with some water. I personally love it the way it is. Like the volume when it comes to water wave curls, I just love it the way it is, like dry, and sometimes I brush it out. Okay, but this one, all I had to do was run my fingers through it. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit. Would you be trying it like with the color, with the curls? Do let me know. Okay, I want to play around with it just a little bit, so I definitely want to open up the middle part, see what that would look like. You guys know if it's curly hair, if it's full, and if it's long as well, we're gonna play around with it. So for this color, we gotta play around with it. We need to be creative with this. Okay, so let's do something real quick. Still with this C part. Okay, I'm not gonna take from it. Okay, guys, so this is hairstyle number 2. This actually is not where I was going to. I wanted to take everything up, but I love the fact that we have a simple base here and then all the hair is to the back. I love this for like everyday, like schoolgirl kind of look. It looks very simple, and like this takes like a few minutes. Just flatten here. You can use the hot comb or you can just use some spray or mousse. Let everything just lay flat, then pack it at the back and let the hair drop. So if you're going maybe later on for like a dinner, I brought out these two here just because, yeah, I just wanted some oomph, honestly. So like I was saying, if you're going out later, maybe for like a dinner, you want to take it up, just have to pack everything, do like a little twist. It doesn't have to be the neatest. I accidentally took this one with the rest of the hair. Okay, and then let's clip it, then fluff up what we have. So this is what we have for the updo. I love the fact that the ends are like very, like the purple is really showing, so we have like some good contrast with like the black hair and then the purple ends. Okay, yeah, but I prefer it down. Actually, I prefer it down, so I just might take off the claw clip and then shake it, fluff it to give it more life, and rock it this way with my 2 strands dropping by the side. Next up, I want to open up the middle part. We have to see what it looks like with the middle part, right? One thing a middle part would do on me is eat. Like, this looks so good. I mean, the C part was nice, but I think I'm feeling the middle part more, and I feel like it's giving the hair, like, I don't know, it looks like I have like more volume going on. Not me almost twinning with my hair color, like my nails and my hair are almost twinning. But yeah, this is such a lovely color. Like, I think I'm not over how beautiful this color is. The hair texture feels really good. I love the curls. Like, I love the loose water wave curls. I love it so much. This would look good if you wet it, and if you decide to rock it dry like me, it would still look amazing. So let me know which of the styles you prefer. Let me know your favorite style. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to this unit, and of course more from Nadula Hair, so you want to check it out. And it's Black Friday season, so you get this at a huge discount. You guys know I got you always, so please check the description box and grab it, okay, before it goes back to full price. Nadula.